Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving head first into the world of micro-investing apps, specifically Raiz Invest. If you've ever looked at your bank account and thought, man, I wish I could be turning this spare change into something more, then Raiz might be worth a peek. But is it the golden ticket for complete investing newbies? Let's unpack the good, the not so good, and everything in between to see if Raiz Invest is your personal investing launchpad. Why micro-investing apps are all the rage. First things first, let's talk about this micro-investing trend. Basically, it's about investing tiny amounts of money, like spare change from your everyday purchases, and putting it towards your future. Imagine buying a coffee for $4.20, but instead of that pesky 80 cents sitting there, Raiz could round it up to $5 and invest the difference. It's a painless way to get started, especially for folks who feel overwhelmed by traditional investing. Raiz Invest, a beginner's playground. Raiz definitely caters to the new investor. Their user interface is super user-friendly, and setting up an account takes minutes. Plus, you can start with as little as $5, which is perfect for dipping your toes in the water. They also offer a variety of pre-built portfolios based on your risk tolerance, so you don't have to become a financial whiz overnight to get started. Raiz features we love. Here are some features that make Raiz particularly attractive for beginners. Automated investing, set it and forget it. You can schedule automatic deposits from your bank account, so you're consistently investing without even thinking about it. Round UPS, love the idea of turning your spare change into future wealth? Raiz Roundup feature is your new best friend. Educational resources, Raiz offers a decent amount of educational material within the app, which is a big plus for those who want to learn as they invest. But before you hit invest, while Raiz seems like a breeze for beginners, there are a few things to consider before you jump in. Fees, Raiz charges account fees that can eat into your returns, especially if you're starting with a small amount. Be sure to understand the fee structure before you commit. Limited investment options. Compared to traditional brokers, Raiz offers a smaller range of investment options. This might not be ideal for investors who want more control over their portfolio. Long-term performance. Micro-investing is a marathon, not a sprint. While Raiz can be a great way to start, don't expect to get rich quick. So, is Raiz the right choice for you? Here's the honest truth. Raiz Invest can be a fantastic tool for complete beginners who want a simple and automated way to get started with investing. It's a low-pressure environment to learn the ropes and build a consistent investing habit. However, if you're looking for more advanced investment options or want to minimize fees, you might need to explore other avenues. The final verdict, it depends. Raiz Invest isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It excels at making investing accessible for newbies, but it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your individual goals and risk tolerance. Do your research, understand the fees, and figure out what kind of investor you want to be. Raiz could be your launching pad, but it's just one stop on your investing journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.